What if you could turn a vintage typewriter, a folding chair, and your love for words into a money-making adventure on the open road? Meet the Typewriter. Road trip, a real business model spotted in cities from Austin, Texas to Portland, Oregon. Here's the twist. Poets travel with their trusty typewriters, set up shop on bustling sidewalks, and offer custom poems on demand for passers-by. The unexpected? Strangers toss out a word, a feeling, or a quick story. And in minutes, they receive a unique poem, typed right before their eyes. Some pay just a few bucks, while others drop $20 or more for a heartfelt piece or a special anniversary surprise. It's creative, interactive, and totally Instagrammable. The magic lies in the moment. No two poems are ever the same, and neither are the customers. This quirky hustle thrives on spontaneity, personality, and the joy of analog art in a digital world. Who knew poetry could pay the bills and fuel a cross-country adventure? If you love oddball ideas that actually work, hit subscribe for more wild ways to make money, or tell us, would you try this poetic hustle?